Section 1. Styling the web. Introducing CSS. CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets. It's a language we use to style websites and make them visually appealing. Imagine HTML as the structure of a house and CSS as the paint, furniture, and decorations that make it beautiful. CSS gives you control over colors, fonts, spacing, and layout, allowing you to create unique and engaging web experiences. Without CSS, websites would be plain and boring, lacking the visual flair that captures attention. CSS is easy to learn and use, even for beginners. With a little practice, you can transform simple HTML into stunning web pages that engage your visitors. Let's explore the world of CSS and discover how it can empower you to create beautiful and effective websites. Section 2. The power of CSS, why it matters. CSS is crucial for several reasons. First, it enhances the visual appeal of websites, making them more attractive and engaging for visitors. A well-designed website can capture attention, convey professionalism, and leave a lasting impression on your audience. Second, CSS improves the user experience by making websites easier to navigate and interact with. By controlling layout and spacing, CSS ensures that content is presented clearly and logically, guiding visitors through the website effortlessly. Third, CSS enables responsiveness, allowing websites to adapt seamlessly to different screen sizes and devices. This is essential in today's mobile-first world, where users access websites on a variety of devices. Finally, CSS promotes consistency and maintainability. By separating content from presentation, CSS makes it easy to apply consistent styles across an entire website. This simplifies updates and ensures a cohesive look and feel throughout. Section 3. HTML and CSS, a perfect partnership. HTML, the foundation of web pages, provides structure and content. It tells the browser what to display, such as headings, paragraphs, images, and links. However, HTML alone lacks styling capabilities. This is where CSS comes in. CSS works hand in hand with HTML to add visual styling and layout to web pages. It takes the structured content provided by HTML and transforms it into a visually appealing and user-friendly experience. Think of it this way. HTML is like the architect's blueprint, defining the structure of a building, while CSS is like the interior designer, adding colors, textures, and furniture to bring the space to life. Section 4. Understanding CSS rules, the building blocks of style. CSS works by using rules to apply styles to HTML elements. A CSS rule consists of two main parts, a selector and a declaration block. The selector specifies which HTML element or elements the style should be applied to, while the declaration block contains one or more declarations that define the specific styles. Each declaration within the declaration block consists of a property and a value, separated by a colon. The property specifies the styling aspect being defined, such as color, font size, or margin, while the value indicates the desired setting for that property. For example, the following CSS rule sets the text color of all paragraphs to blue, P, color blue. In this rule is the selector, targeting all paragraph elements. The declaration block contains a single declaration that sets the property to the value. Section 5. Exploring common CSS properties, adding flair to your website. CSS offers a wide range of properties to control the appearance of web pages. Here are some common properties and their uses. Sets the text color, controls the size of the text, specifies the font to be used, sets the background color of an element, controls the space around an element, controls the space between an element's content and its border, sets the width of an element, sets the height of an element. By using these properties and their various values, you can customize the look and feel of your website to match your brand and design preferences. Section 6. Cascading and Inheritance, How CSS Styles Flow. Two fundamental concepts in CSS are cascading and inheritance. Cascading refers to how the browser determines which CSS rules to apply when multiple rules conflict. The browser follows a set of rules to determine the most specific rule, taking into account factors like the importance of the rule, its specificity, and the order in which it appears in the style sheet. Inheritance, on the other hand, determines how styles are passed down from parent elements to their children. Some CSS properties, such as text color and font family, are inherited by default, meaning that if a parent element has a specific text color, Its child elements will inherit that color unless explicitly overridden. Understanding cascading and inheritance is essential for predicting how CSS styles will be applied and for creating efficient and maintainable style sheets. Section 7. The benefits of CSS, efficiency and aesthetics in web development. Using CSS offers numerous benefits for web development, including efficiency. CSS allows you to define styles once and apply them to multiple elements, reducing code duplication and making it easier to maintain consistent styling across your website. Aesthetics. CSS provides a vast toolkit for controlling the visual presentation of your website, enabling you to create stunning designs that capture attention and enhance the user experience. Accessibility. CSS plays a crucial role in making websites accessible to users with disabilities. By separating content from presentation, CSS allows assistive technologies to interpret and display web pages effectively. Maintainability. Separating content from presentation makes it easier to update the look and feel of your website without affecting the underlying HTML structure. SEO. Search engines consider website design and user experience as ranking factors. Well-structured and visually appealing websites made possible by CSS can improve your search engine rankings. Section 8. Conclusion. Embrace the power of CSS for stunning web pages. CSS is an indispensable tool for web development, empowering you to transform plain HTML into visually appealing and user-friendly websites. By understanding the fundamentals of CSS, including selectors, properties, cascading, and inheritance, you can unlock endless possibilities for styling your web pages. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced developer, embracing the power of CSS will enhance your web development skills and enable you to create stunning and effective online experiences.